We're now following the road ahead. We're going to take the second exit on the roundabout. We're following the signs for Elcroft. Look on the floor. See the floor markings. Yeah?
Yeah, I get it now.
Cancel the signal. You're on this roundabout yesterday.
Because I'm going ahead around.
Yeah. You're going ahead, so you don't need a signal because there's carrying on this road. There's no other thing you can do but to come off on this exit.
Yeah, I remember you told me that.
Do you understand why I grabbed your steering wheel?
Yeah, because I was going into... Yeah, I get it.
Your driving exam now, if you grab the steering wheel, it's over.
Yeah.
So you need to make sure that you're facing your lane. I knew you weren't facing your lane, so I knew you were going to go into the wrong lane.
Yeah.
But there's two lanes there, and there's two lanes approaching the roundabout.
Yeah.
So if you're on the left, you keep left. If you're turning right, you stay in the right side lane.
You can only go one way, so...
Yeah, absolutely.